Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on STX. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that STX has broken out two very big falling wedges on the 7 days time frame chart. And this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently it has broken out another falling wedge pattern. By the way, this move is more visible on the daily time frame chart, and you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price line is getting accumulated above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. By the way, recently, you can see that approximately at $250, $2.50, the price line has recently found another resistance here. You can see we got rejection here. Previously, it was breaking other resistance here and support here for several days. And now again, it is breaking other resistance. And we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for STX that I shared almost 10 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 40% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for STX that I shared almost 10 days ago with my members on 31st of May 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that STX formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal, very powerful pump from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 40% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of STX, and this is the daily time frame chart. And recently you can see that we have broken out another falling wedge pattern for the past several days since after 23rd of Feb 2024, the price line was moving inside this wedge. And recently, a few days ago, we have broken out the resistance. Recently, we have found another short-term resistance here at $2.50. That was previously breaking other resistance here, support here for several days, and support here as well. And now again, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this move to the upside, we will still need to break out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here we have already broken out two very big falling wedges. One was broken out here in the month of January 2023, and after that it broke out another falling wedge pattern in the month of September 2023. And so far, from this low to the current high, you can see that it has rallied almost 1,808%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $3.85. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart once again, then you can see that for several days it has been rejected by this resistance again and again. And finally, it was stuck inside this wedge. And recently we have broken out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, the targets for these breakouts, I've been telling you, even when it was moving inside this wedge, I was telling you that target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $3.50. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And now, after breaking out this recent falling wedge pattern, the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge, that is between $3.85 to $4. And over here, we have a quite long-term resistance as well at $3.85. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, then this resistance can be flipped into a long-term support, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.